Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are sharing an exciting e-commerce success story where we have helped an online business specializing in the premium trading cards turn around their Google AdWords campaign. Despite having a fantastic product lineup, they were struggling with the poor campaign performance, low conversion rates and wasted ad spend. If you are running an e-commerce business and facing similar challenges, keep watching as we break down the steps we took to fix their campaigns and deliver the outstanding results. Our client offers a wide variety of NCAA trading cards featuring autographs and the exclusive memorabilia. While they had high quality products, they were facing issues with the poor visibility and the low sales due to ineffective campaign structure. The results were wasted ad spend, low traffic and an unsatisfactory return on the ad spend. After realizing their previous marketing efforts were not yielding the results, they have turned to us for help. The first step we took was conducting an thorough audit of their Google AdWords campaign and the product feed. We have identified the key issues including the poorly structured campaign and a product feed that was not optimized for the Google shopping. Products had missing attributes, poor titles and the subpar images that were affecting the visibility. To resolve this, we have revamped their product feed, making sure that all the title descriptions and the images followed the Google's best practices, ensuring better product approvals and the improved visibility. Next, we have restructured their Google AdWords campaign. Instead of running broad, undifferentiated campaigns, we have implemented a targeted strategy. We have split the products into high performing and the low performing categories. By allocating a larger budget for the high performing products such as the autographed trading cards, we have maximized the visibility and the conversions. We have also set up the separate campaigns for the lower performing products and conducted A/B testing to identify the opportunities to improve their campaign performance. To take targeting further, we have focused on geographic targeting. Since the client only serves the US customers, we have specifically targeted the region with high demand in the NCAA memorabilia, such as the areas with the strong college football following. This helped us to focus our budget on the high potential buyers and improved the conversion rates. The remarketing was another key element of our strategy. We have set up the dynamic remarketing campaigns to re-engage the website visitors who had not completed a purchase. By showing the personalized product ads based on what they had previously viewed, we saw the significant improvements in the engagement and the conversion. Our in-house creative team played a crucial role in optimizing the ad performance. We have designed the high quality banners and the video ads to complement the campaigns. These creative assets focus on the USPs of the product, such as the free shipping on the orders over $100, official NCAA licensing and the guaranteed autographs, which has helped boost the user engagement and the click-through rates. The results were incredible. So basically within just a month of implementing this strategy, the client achieved $243,000 in terms of monthly sale with the ROAS of 15.23. By optimizing the product visibility, remarketing efforts and the ad creative, we have helped them generate consistent sales and a high return on their spend. They were so impressed with the result, they have even wanted to expand their marketing efforts to include Facebook ads, reaching an even broader audience. To keep the client informed and to ensure the full transparency, we have provided the weekly and the monthly reports. These reports, created using Google Data Studio, were tracked by all essential metrics such as the traffic, conversion and the sales data. The client could see exactly how their Google ad spend was being allocated and how it was driving significant results. These case study shows how a data-driven strategic approach can dramatically improve the e-commerce campaign performance. By optimizing the product feed, segmenting campaigns and the using targeted remarketing, we were able to help our client boost visibility, increase conversions and achieve a remarkable ROAS. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your campaigns and then we can give you the audit report. The audit report will be free of cost, and then the audit report will have what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaign. But if you do not have any campaign running, then don't worry about it. You can still share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.